There were three key drivers, I would say. First and foremost, as a former banker, we spend a lot of time with artificial intelligence and machine learning and thinking about how those new tools 5 years ago could help us. I'd say the second part was my opportunity to spend time learning from MIT and CERN and TU Delft about trends that included quantum computing. And finally, I just have to say that I'm quantum curious. I love to learn about quantum computing and all of its potential. It's special at this moment in time for quantum, and it's more than just the billions that are being invested globally. It's more than just the breakthroughs. It's the move for that potential to practical applications, whether that's true randomness for security or it's optimization for portfolios. We're seeing that transition towards practical applications. That's what I'm excited about. What makes quantum really important for companies today to engage with is the promise of more faster, more secure, more accurate computing potential. They need to start putting this on their roadmap. Whether they're investing $1 today, they need to be thinking about how they resource their individual companies, how they determine priorities for quantum, and look at those major priorities, their major use cases that they can use going forward. The reason why I founded QSI was after attending a number of conferences over the last few years, we consistently saw vendors doing their presentations, talking about their wares, their features and benefits. We were seeing very little on the consumer side. So I looked at it and I talked to experts in the field. We found that there was in fact white space. There was an opportunity to help the consumer side of the quantum industry, help them understand what quantum would mean for them, why they should make investments in this field, why they should prioritize it, why they should roadmap it. So when I brought together a number of experts from all around the world, they were all telling me the same thing. And fortunately, I've been able to ask those experts to join me in this organization in terms of accelerating the adoption of quantum. Businesses would best get started by simply beginning. We need to think about how does an organization look at quantum as part of their technology roadmap. They need to think about first, second, and third-hand experience. And what I mean by that is, how do you develop first-hand experience, whether that's through a quiz kit course or by looking at your own business use case opportunities? How do you do it secondhand? By listening to people who are actually engaged in quantum today, finding out what they're being successful with and what some of their barriers are. And then finally, from a third-hand experience perspective, reading about it and getting a balanced view. One of the challenges we have today in quantum is this question of hype. Are we overpromising the potential of this technology, or is it truly going to deliver? So it's important that people are actually getting a very balanced view in their reading about this new technology.